Sorry, Kylie, you only get 4 items. Let's pack Kylie Ann's 2 scoop. She only want journal, A5 notebooks, memo paper, pen, sticky notes, and correction tape. 1 sticky notes. Art pen. One memo paper. One A5 notebooks. That's everything for your order. Hope you will like it. Just kidding. She won't change some beads to a cosmetic box. Then of course she will get it. Change to 2 journal. It's full color inside. Change to A5 notebooks. Change to sticky notes. No, 2 less. Change to pen. Let's give her all... Wait, let's give her all designs we have. Don't know if she likes Stitch. Let's give her some too. Change to correction tape. More A5 notebooks. Two scoop can get 2 freebies. Let's add the stationery that she doesn't have yet. Card holder. Mini notebooks. Eraser. Highlighter. More memo paper. Sticker. That's everything she got. Hope you will like it.